Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to explain the first question, like how to do solve the first question in the lab that is given. So yeah, like we are the last date is 23 September, but many of you like pinging me like to how to do lab. Even I am also not sure how to do, but still for you guys, I have learned by myself, and here I am displaying how to do lab and how after that after doing what I have to do, I'm doing. So there are three questions given in the lab. So I am going to explain the first question, like how to do. Okay. So first of all, for going to lab, right, you have to open the OS simulator. So for that, you have to go to the portal OSHA. So if you don't know what is the where is the link? So in the description, I'm going to provide a WhatsApp link. So please text me in that WhatsApp link, or I will provide the number if you ask me. So if you go join the WhatsApp group, right? So if you ask that, I will be providing the lab link. Okay. So after clicking on the lab, you can able to see 1 minute. Let me show that. You can able to see this. You can see this icon, right? CPU OS simulator. So you have to open the CPU OS simulator in that. Okay. So okay, after opening, you will get the interface like this. Okay, you got it. You will get the interface like this. So now let us go to the question. What the question give, like what is there in the question? So we have to write an instruction which moves from number 7 to R01, register 1. Okay. So for that, I will go into the first, I have to create a program. Okay. So I will be creating a program like this, Q01, like anything. It's your wish. You can give any program name. So as a base address, you can give anything here. As if now I am giving 0000. You can give anything you want. Okay. So first you have to click add. So after that, after clicking add, you should have to see in the program list. There is a program that you have added. So after that, what you have to do, we have to write an instruction, right? We have to write an instruction. So go to the instructions tab and add new. Now in instructions, what we have to do? So in instructions, right? 1 minute. See, write an instruction which moves number 7 to register R01. Okay. What we have to do? We have to add an instruction move which moves the number 7 to R01, register 1, right? Yeah. Now going to add new in instructions, go to add new, and here click choose move. It is already there in the move. Here MOV is the move instruction. Okay. So now give the value 7. Okay. The 2 to the register R01. Okay. So after adding this, okay, after adding this, click on new instruction. Okay, added, right? So if you want to see if it is added or not, you can see this, right? Move 7 to R01. It is not executed yet. If it is executed, right, you will be seeing the here. Okay. Even now you can execute or later you can execute. It depends on you. Okay. So one thing is done. According to the question, let us go. Okay. Now execute the above instruction. So first what it is given, we have to execute the instruction like move number 7 to R01. Okay. See, now what I am doing is, see, it is in this step, right? The red mark is in the step. It shows the you are in which step to execute. Now click on step. If you, after stepping that, you can see the instruction register move 7 to R01, and in register you can see the value R01 at 7. Okay, then next. Create an instruction which moves number 8 to register R02. Okay. So yeah, now I will add another instruction which will be the 8 and that 2 to the R02. Okay, now instruction, new instruction. Okay, close. So after creating an instruction which moves to number 8, so here I am not executing it, just I have created, and also I have creating an instruction which adds the contents of R01 and R02. Okay. Now I have to add one more instruction, that is arithmetic. Add is nothing but that will be there in the arithmetic tab. Okay. So arithmetic. So now add register R02, R02 and R01. So you can ask me a doubt, like if I write like register R01 in the source operand in this place, like if you want to write R01 and in destination operand you want to write R02, yeah, it's up to you. What you want to write, it depends on you. Okay. But what's the difference? So what the thing, like in this destination operand, what the register you're keeping it, right? it will be stored in, the value will be stored in that register. So here I am putting register R01 in the destination operand. So the value will be stored in the R01. Okay. The resultant value after adding. Okay. So if I put R01 here and R02 here, right? Then the destination, the sum value will be stored in the R02. So for now, it will be storing in the R01. Okay. Now new instruction R02 R0 new instruction done. And that's close. So first of all, before adding R02 and R01, you can see R02 is added now, right? Just I have executed the R01 instruction. So now I will execute the first R02. Okay, R02 I will be executing that step. You can see R02 equal to 8. And after that, again I will be stepping. There is one more instruction, that is add step. You can see after like executing the third step, R02 and R01, you can see the value is 15. Also, if you can see, the value is still changing 0, 0 to 6, and after the 12, 6 bits it is taking. You can see that, right? Yeah. So 3 instructions done. Now next, what I have to do? Execute it and show the register that holds the result. Okay. What I have to do? We have done now. We have executed and I have shown the register that holds in the result. Then next, what we have to do? Okay. Now create an instruction which pushes the above result to the top of the hardware stack and then execute it. So we have to push, okay, the result 15 onto the stack. Okay, now how to do that? Now again go to the add new instruction. Now go to the data transfer and you can see the push option here. Push. What we have to push? We have to push the value that is there in the R01, like the resultant one. R01, it is stored in R01, right? So that's why we are pushing the R01 register. New instruction. Yeah, now done. And after that, what we have to do? Yeah, create an instruction and then execute it. We have to execute it after that. Now I am executing this step. You can see the toss like 15 value, right? Just we have pushed that into the stack. Now, after pushing the value into the stack, what we have to do according to the question? Create an instruction to push number -2 on the top of the stack and executed it, show the value in the program stack. So for pushing the number -2 onto the stack, right? First we have to store it on a register and we have to push that register. Okay. So for that, I am using the new instruction, that is move, and I am giving the value -2. I will be storing that in one of the register, that is R4. And it will be the new instruction. Close step. You can see the R0 value is -2. Now I have to push this register into the stack. So for that I am doing add new. Where is the push option here? Push. And I am pushing here the R04 value. New instruction. And I am executing that step. You can see the toss value is now -2. Right? Okay. Now what we have to do? We have pushed the number -2 into the stack and we have executed it. And we have shown the value in the stack. Okay. And then create an instruction to pop the value on the top of the program stack into register R3, executing and observe the value in SP register. Okay. Now what I have to do? I have pushed the R0 to right. Now I have to pop to R03. What I have to do? I have to pop, instruction pop, and I have to pop that to R03. Now what we will observe, let us see. See, after popping that, what is the value that is there -2 will be going to the R03 register, and the top will be the program stack will be the 15. And you can see this, what are the final values? Just you have to write R01 is 15, R02 is 8, R03 is -2, R04 is -2, and the stack there will be the 15 value 15. So in this way, you can complete the first question. So just for every step, after doing every step, take one screenshot and you can upload that by making a word and you can submit that. And there are 2 more questions I'll be explaining in my next videos. So thank you guys for watching my video. So before closing this video, like ending this video, so I just want to know if you have any doubts like how to open the link of for the lab. Just I will be providing a WhatsApp group link in my description. So join that and ask the link I will be providing you. Okay. Yeah. So thank you. If you have any doubts, you can comment me on the comment section. Thank you.